Unlock the power of genuine connection by mastering user-generated content video ads. Step 1. Embrace authenticity. The cornerstone of effective UGC is showcasing real people sharing their honest experiences with your product or service. Think unboxing videos, genuine reviews, or demonstrations of your offering in everyday life. This builds trust and relatability far more than polished corporate messaging. Step 2. Prioritize relatability. Your audience wants to see themselves reflected in the content. Feature diverse individuals, different use cases, and scenarios that resonate with common everyday situations. Avoid overly staged or aspirational content that feels out of reach. Step 3. Craft clear and concise messaging. While authenticity reigns, you still need a purpose. What problem does your product solve? What benefit does it offer? Ensure this message is woven seamlessly into the customer's narrative without feeling like a hard sell. Step 4. Leverage emotional connections. People connect with stories, not just features. Focus on the why behind your brand and how your product makes a positive impact on people's lives. Showcase the emotions your customers experience: joy, relief, excitement to create a memorable and engaging ad. Step 5. Encourage and showcase. Actively encourage your customers to share their experiences. Run contests, create branded hashtags, and feature the best UGC prominently in your ad campaigns. This not only provides you with valuable content, but also amplifies positive word of mouth and drives further engagement and conversions.